This chart tracks models conquering legacy tests like MMLU. Performance curves rocket upward, then abruptly flatline at the 90% mark. Once a test gets this easy, models hit a ceiling, leaving researchers no way to tell how much smarter systems are actually getting. To fix this, the Center for AI Safety and Scale AI built Humanity's Last Exam. It is a 2,500 question set specifically curated from graduate-level academic material and highly specialized domain knowledge. When this exam was first proposed, researchers analyzed the difficulty and estimated artificial intelligence would not achieve a passing grade until somewhere between 2030 and 2035. That forecast is shifting. AI progress is accelerating, and early projections failed to account for a massive jump in reasoning capabilities. Humanity's Last Exam has become a live measure of how quickly models are advancing, turning what was supposed to be a decade-long evaluation into an immediate test of frontier capability. This chart breaks down the composition of the exam. It focuses heavily on graduate-level subjects, 41% for mathematics, 11% for biology and medicine, and another 10% for computer science. 14% of the questions are multimodal, requiring the AI to interpret complex images alongside text. The creators used an adversarial filter. If an existing frontier model correctly answered a question, it was immediately discarded. The format is designed for precision. Only 24% of the questions offer multiple choices, while the remaining 76% require an exact short answer response. Take this biology question as an example. It asks for the specific number of paired tendons supported by a uniquely shaped sesamoid bone found in one specific order of hummingbirds. A model could generate 3 paragraphs of plausible-sounding anatomical reasoning, but if it misses the specific count or the correct term in the final answer, it scores a 0. By stripping away multiple choice options and demanding exact terminology, the test forces a model to be accurate rather than just convincing. Large language models excel at matching patterns from their training data, but this exam is designed to bypass those shortcuts. It exposes the mechanical limits of predicting the next token in a sequence. To solve these problems, a model has to maintain logic over a dozen distinct steps. Current architectures often lose track of variables or fabricate information midway through a complex proof. This bell curve tracks how human experts perform on the test. They score about 74% when the questions are within their specific field, but their accuracy drops off immediately when they step outside their niche. Human experts struggle with cross-domain integration, like combining physics and biology, while AI models generally struggle with the deep, reliable reasoning required for exact technical answers. Because humans fail on breadth and AI fails on depth, this exam helps isolate the specific architectural gaps that developers need to fill. For months, researchers assumed the 60% mark was a stable barrier. As of July 2026, that barrier has been broken. Looking at the current leaderboard, Claude Mythos 5 leads with a 64.5% score. Muse Spark 1.1 follows at 62.1%, and OpenAI's GPT 5.4 Pro is currently at 58.7%. Meanwhile, Gemini 3.1 Pro trails at 44.4%, showing a significant performance gap. These high scores are the result of a specific testing method. While some models take the test closed book, the top performers are using tool-assisted workflows, writing and executing code to verify their answers. This jump in scores shows a shift toward agentic AI, systems that use external tools to solve problems, instead of relying purely on the patterns they memorize during training. The original 2035 timeline relied on early models scoring in the 20% range. The integration of tool use and agentic reasoning has compressed that timeline by years. To reach the 80% threshold, models need to move beyond statistical pattern matching. They require neural-symbolic world models, combining deep learning with rigid logic. These architectures allow a system to hold 20 mathematical steps in its head without logic degrading or hallucinating. When an AI finally passes humanity's last exam with 80% accuracy, it will demonstrate a breadth of graduate-level problem-solving that has previously been the exclusive domain of human specialists. Do you think AI will clear the human expert barrier by 2028, or are we about to hit a permanent intelligence plateau? If you found this deep dive valuable, please hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more science behind the AI headlines.